US President Donald Trump said Wednesday that there will be very serious consequences if Russian President Vladimir Putin doesn't agree to stop the war in Ukraine after Friday's summit. Trump was very clear in a virtual meeting with European leaders that the US wants to achieve a ceasefire. At the upcoming US-Russia summit in Alaska, French President Macron said. In the same meeting, Ukrainian President Zelensky said Trump is bluffing ahead of the planned meeting with Trump. He said that Trump is applying pressure on all sectors of Ukrainian front in an attempt to show that Russia is capable of occupying of all Ukraine. Putin is also bluffing about sanctions as if they do not matter to him and are ineffective. In reality, sanctions are very helpful and are hitting Russia's war economy hard. Speaking after the video conference between Trump, Zelensky and other European leaders, Macron said Trump was prioritizing a ceasefire between Ukraine and Russia. He added that Trump had been clear that territorial issues relating to Ukraine will only be negotiated by the Ukrainian President Zelensky. Following his meeting on Friday with Russian leaders, Trump will also seek a future trilateral meeting involving Trump, Putin and President Zelensky. German Chancellor Friedrich Merz had convened a virtual meeting in an attempt to make sure European and Ukrainian leaders are heard ahead of the summit. Speaking alongside Zelensky, who traveled to Berlin Wednesday to take part in the meeting, Merz described the meeting with Trump constructive and said that important decisions could be made, but stressed that fundamental European and Ukrainian security interests must be protected at the summit. Zelensky and Europeans have been sidelined from that summit. Writing on his official Telegram channel, Zelensky said there was no sign that Russians are preparing to end the war, and he urged Ukraine's partners in the United States and Europe to coordinate efforts to force Russia to peace. Pressure must be applied on Russia for an honest peace. We must take the experience of Ukraine and our partners to prevent deception by Russia, Zelensky said. Yet Trump has disappointed allies in Europe by saying that Ukraine will have to give up some Russian-held territory. He also said that Russia must accept land swaps. European allies have pushed for Ukraine's involvement in any peace talks. Trump said that following Friday's summit, a meeting between the Russian and Ukrainian leaders would be arranged. The overcharging fear of many European leaders is that Putin will set his sights on one of them next if he wins in Ukraine. Zelensky said Tuesday that Putin wants Ukraine to withdraw from the remaining 30% of the Donetsk region that it still controls as part of a ceasefire deal, a proposal the leader categorically rejected. Zelensky reiterated that Ukraine would not give up any territory it controls, saying that it would be unconstitutional and would serve only as a springboard for a future Russian invasion. He said diplomatic discussions led by the US focusing on ending war have not addressed key Ukrainian demands, including